Labdien, tauta! Šodien es nāku pie jums ar jaunu video. Šodien būs tāds video, kad jūs, jautājat man, kā būs Resident Evil 7 un tam līdzīgi. Es nespēlēšu game, bet ko es jums varu dot reaktu uz Resident Evil 7 rap. Dan Bulls viņu izpildu, kā vienmēr, jā, tas mans mīļākais video spēļu repers ir arī citi, noteikti, bet es pat īstumā vienīgais, ko es klausos, ir šis te repers, Dan Bull. Un es neesmu redzējis, vakardien ielika, Valentīna dienā viņš, kā redzēs, 67,000 view, 6,000 laiki. Un, iečakosim, ko Dan Bulls mums ir sagatavojis, un vai ir labs, iespējams, baismīgs raps, tādēļ sākam. Aiziet! Bītiņš labs, bītiņš man patīk jau sākumā.
Greetings, you're right on time. Wipe your feet, you're invited inside. Your arrival is quite a surprise. You're right for the ride of your life. Right, let me take your coat, you're welcome. Have a browse through the photo album. It's only seldom we host any guests. The rest of the family at home, I'll tell them. Come and join us for victuals. It'll satiate those cravings a little. Put some meat on those brittle bones. We insist you must have a nibble. It's something we hunted. One for the road, here's a clue. It's right under your nose. If you refuse, you'll be stunting the growth of your welcome to our humble abode. Those lonely country roads are so remote that no one will know you're overdue home. There's no bloody phone. Now go to your room or I'll go for your throat. When you're under my roof, you'll heed my rules. Succumb to my truth. Do I need my tools? Should I fetch my bag? Should I come for your tooth? It's your fault. I don't want to remove it. Home is where the hate is. Your relatives are waiting. Everyone's related. They who immigrate or native. Look what we've created. Say to this sadist, home is where the hate is.
Pagaidām labs, man patīk, tas tiešām tāda noskaņa, tāda baismīgā. Interesanti, man patīk. Liriks, kā vienmēr, ir dope panti.
Butcher, baker, candlestick maker. You can't get away from your animal nature. Try as you might, the anger will take you. Now sample the cake the grandmother's made you. That's a family favorite, passed through generations of bakers inhabiting the plantation. Eraserhead X-Fantasia. It's fun and games, son, let dad chase you. Here I come, ready or not. I hear a gun, bloody belly all shot. Don't you try to pee on my fun. We've barely begun and there's many more shocks in store for you. But you know that already, of course you do. Keep both hands steady, adrenaline, what a hell of a drug. I'm getting a buzz from killing a pill in the skin of a corpse. I'm yearning for more, it isn't enough cause I've seen it before. I've been in a war, within in my thoughts. The insects are wriggling from under the floor. You're injured, you're in it, spilling this thunder and core. And blood on the walls, it's pungent and raw. That's the warm welcome I give out for someone who comes to my door and into my home. Home is where the hate is. Your relatives are waiting. Everyone's related. They who immigrate or native. Look what we've created. Say to this sadist, home is where the hate is. Home is where the hate is.
No, nice. Vēl būs kaut kas.
There's funny stuff happening in the Arcade Mountains. Far-fetched, but when you see the proof.
Jā. Ok. Tā, labi. Video. Man patīk raps. Raps bija foršs, man beats noteikti patīk. Tā tiešām arī spūkī noskaņa. Un patīk viņa rapos. Tāds Joker tipa, tāds tipa, kad viss liekas smieklīgi. Kā piemēram Bakeriem, viņiem arī tas viss tā joku. Atgādināja vairāk to dēlu Bakeru, to es neatceros vārdu viņam. Viņš tāds, tipa, es spēlējos ar tevi, jokojos, viss tas, ko es tev daru, šausmīgās lietas, ko es tev daru, ir kā joks. Spēles, teiksim tā. Un jā, man piedzīvojums varbūt ne pārāk saistīja, bet nebija nevainas, protams. Un es īstenībā nezinu, es labāk, es dzirdēju to intro dziesmu Resident Evil 7. Es labāk, piemēram, protams, vispār kaut kādu citu gribētu intro, bet, ja man būtu izvēle šito vai to, es labāk ieliktu šito. Man liekas, arī labi iedarētos kā intro Resident Evil 7. Jā, foršs raps Dan Bull kā vienmēr nepieveļ tehniski, vienmēr viņš ir ļoti labs un rīmē ļoti labi. Un, jā, ja jums patīk šis video, jūs zināt, ko izdarīt, nospiest laiku. Protams, nošērojiet video, lai vairāk dzird šo dziesmu, un links aprakstā uz oriģinālo dziesmu, aiziet nostīties, nospiediet laiku, noteikti arī tam video. Un, jā, un, protams, abonējiet kanālu, ja neesat abonējis, un te jau tiekamies nākamajos video. Pagaidām, peace!